Okay, we're going to try to find the equation of a quadratic function or parabola, given some data. In this case, we're going to be given the vertex and a point. So find the equation of the parabola that has vertex 5, -3, and contains the point 8, -9. And we have our vertex form, which is f of x equals a times x minus h squared plus k, where the vertex is hk. Vertex is hk. hk. And f of x is the same thing as y, so we're going to use this form, and we can leave it in this form, be fine. So we know y equals a times x minus h, and h is the x value, so that's going to be 5. And then plus k, and k is -3, so it's going to be plus -3 or just -3. So we almost have it. We're almost done. We just need to find the a. So how do we find the a? Well, we know that the point 8, -9, is in the vertex, and 8 is the x value, and -9 is the y value. So what I'll do is I'll just substitute. So instead of writing y, I can put -9, and that equals a, which is what we're trying to find. That's the only thing that's missing. And then what's x? X is 8. And there you go. And then you just find out what a is. That's all you need to do. So we have -9 equals a times, and what's 8 minus 5? 3 squared minus 3. Then I can add 3 to both sides. So if I add 3 to both sides, we'll do that carefully. I end up with -6 equals, and 3 squared is 9, so 9a. And then I'll divide both sides by 9. And we have a equals -6 over 9. And that's the same, -6 over 9, which is the same thing as -2/3. So that's what a is. So a equals -2/3. So now we can put this back in the equation. Y equals -2/3 times x minus 5 squared minus 3. And then we can also write that out as f of x, same thing. F of x equals -2/3 times x minus 5 squared and -3. And then you can leave it just in this form. I mean, you could square this out, multiply it out, and you could put it in standard form, but vertex form would be fine in this case. Okay? So I hope that makes sense. That's not terribly difficult either.